Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for August 23rd, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. AI 101 Concept of the Week. What it is: AI agents are like smart digital assistants that can plan and perform tasks on their own, using tools and making decisions step by step. Analogy: think of an AI agent as a well trained intern. You give it a goal, it figures out the steps, uses the right tools, and reports back without you micromanaging. How it works: 1. You give the agent a clear goal, like find all research papers on X. 2. The agent breaks that goal into smaller tasks and decides which tools to use, like web search or a database. 3. It executes the tasks, checks results, and adjusts if something goes wrong, then hands you the final answer. Real example this week. Inherent, a UK AI lab founded by ex-DeepMind researchers, released Faraday, an AI agent that can replicate scientific research papers, a big step for automating science. Why you should care. AI agents are becoming the hottest job skill. Companies are hiring people who can build and manage them, even without a degree. Last week's promise plus AI jobs this week. Last week, we promised a step-by-step strategy to land your first AI job without a degree. Here it is. 1. Learn one high-demand skill, like prompt engineering or data analysis, using free resources. 2. Build 2-3 small projects to show your skill. 3. Get a certificate from a free course to boost your resume. 4. Apply to junior roles or internships. Employers care more about what you can do than your degree. AI prompt engineer at Anthropic, makers of Claude, $120,000 to $180,000. Skills: prompt engineering, Python, communication. ML operations specialist, AWS, Amazon's Cloud, $110,000 to $160,000. Skills: AWS, Python, DevOps basics. Data analyst, AI focus, Micro and AI training data startup, $70,000 to $95,000. Skills: SQL, Excel. Data visualization, AI product manager at NVIDIA, AI chip giant, $130,000 to $190,000. Skills: product management, AI literacy, Agile. Hottest role this week: AI agent developer. With the rise of agents like Faraday, companies are scrambling for people who can build and customize them. Free learning resources this week. Fast.ai, Fast.ai. What you'll learn: practical deep learning, building AI models. Time 20 years, free, yes. Why now? Perfect for hands-on learners who want to build AI agents. Deeplearning.ai, deeplearning.ai. What you'll learn: AI fundamentals, LLMs, agents, time 15 hours free. Yes, why now? Andrew Ng's courses are beginner-friendly and industry-recognized. Kaggle Learn, kaggle.com/learn. What you'll learn: Python, machine learning, data cleaning, time 10 hours, free. Yes, why now? Micro One's growth shows data skills are hot. Start here. Anthropic, prompt engineering, hdocs.anthropic.com/docs. Build with Claude, prompt overview. What you'll learn: prompt writing, Claude tips, time 3 hours, free. Yes, why now? Prompt engineering is a top skill for AI jobs. Start here today, fast.ai/fast.ai. It gets you building real AI in minutes, no degree needed. AI tools for beginners. ChatGPT AI Assistant. Chat with AI for writing, coding, and brainstorming. Perfect for daily tasks. Free plan available, $20 per month for Plus. Claude AI Assistant, made by Anthropic, great for long documents and careful reasoning. Free tier, Pro, $20 per month. Google AI Studio AI Playground. Try Google's Gemini models for free, no coding needed. Free. Hugging Face Model Hub. Browse and test thousands of free AI models. Free. LangChain Agent Builder. Build simple AI agents with drag and drop. Free tier, paid for teams. Best starting point for a complete beginner: Google AI Studio. It's free, visual, and you can test AI instantly without any setup. Career action plan. Newshook. NVIDIA showed that the harness, how you guide an AI agent, is now more important than the model itself. Opportunity. This means companies need people who can set up and manage AI agents, a skill you can learn at home. Your action this week: Take the free LangChain Academy course at hacademy.langchain.com and build your first simple AI agent. Free resource, Anthropic Prompt Engineering, https://docs.anthropic.com/docs/build with Claude engineering/overview. Complete the overview and best practices sections. Result: doing this puts you ahead of 80% of candidates for junior AI roles. Next week preview, we'll break down RAG, the technique that lets AI answer from your own documents, and how to learn it free. Cloud AI for beginners, compare and start. Azure OpenAI, best for enterprise-ready AI with strong security. Free credits, $200. Start azure.microsoft.com US Bedrock, best for using multiple AI models in one place. Free tier, 1 month free tier for Bedrock. Start aws.amazon.com Bedrock Google Gemini API, best for experimenting with AI for free. Free tier, generous free tier in AI Studio. Start aistudio.google.com. Easiest for a complete beginner, Google AI Studio. Just go to the link, type a prompt, and see AI respond. That's your first step. Week in brief. Anthropic's Opus 4.6, a test found it could be tricked into generating explicit content. Shows that even top AI needs safeguards, and there's a job in testing AI safety. OpenAI wants California to strengthen its AI safety bill. Shows that AI companies are paying attention to regulation, creating policy jobs. NVIDIA partners with Cloverleaf for data centers. More data centers means more jobs in AI infrastructure. Micro One hits $500 million run rate. AI training data is booming, so data labeling and analysis skills are valuable. Frontier AI labs lack rogue model plans, a reminder that AI safety is a growing career field. The one thing to remember this week: AI agents are the new frontier. Learning to build and manage them is your ticket into the industry. Conclusion and key takeaways. You're already ahead of 90% of people just by investing 7 minutes in your future. Keep showing up. Every Sunday, we grow together. Don't forget, subscribe every Sunday, 7 a.m. for your weekly AI career guide. Next Sunday, RAG, how AI uses your documents and how to learn it free. Drop your biggest AI question below. I read every comment.